Hey there! Welcome back to another interesting video from DigiFix.
Today, I'm going to introduce how to generate the images you want using AI. CArt is an AI platform that offers a variety of AI image generation tools, including several diffusion models. Today, I'll demonstrate how to generate an image using Flux. You can log in with your device. Type the prompt you want to generate here. You can choose the aspect ratio according to your preference. Now, click on Generate. As you can see, the image is being generated now. It's pretty fast. The image has been generated, and as you can see, it looks really cool. You can download it. Let's also try generating another one.
Thanks for watching. Try these tips and let us know in the comment section.